would you say if I told you that we are living in a paradox? I just realized this time we are living on is not supposed to be like this, and the reason for this drastic change is because the man who invented time travel was murdered by Tom Jackson. Now, he will try to stop me and my friends from building a time machine to fix this wrong timeline.
Pam pam pam, ba-da-dum, pam pam pam, ba-da-dum. Oh, sorry. As you can see, Back to the Future is a legacy that inspired us to create this amazing open world adventure game.
Hi! For Back to the Future Paradox, we have designed an amazing and playful recreation of his body in nowadays, so you can see what happened with all these iconic places through the pass of time. Also, accomplish interesting missions that will enrich our storyline. Micromanage 5 amazing characters, including the new ones, the Leroy civilians who will span Back to the Future universe, keeping low level of awareness, earning money, and winning investigation points that will help you to build your own time machine and fix this wrong timeline.
And now we're gonna explain the paradox timeline. In the year 1991, Dr. Brown met Jackson, and in the year 1995, Don Jackson steals the time machine. Going forward to year 2015, where Dr. Brown is an important figure for science, and Don Jackson is a nobody, is a loser. Don Jackson, full of rage, go back to the year 1995 and end up killing Emmett Brown, and stealing his book with all these timelines, future technology and inventions. This creates an alternative timeline where Don Jackson is the owner of this future technology and monetize it, creating a paradox you will live on.
The only way to achieve this is using technologies like Unity for fast video game development, full body motion capture to improve our animation process, Microsoft Mixer so we can have improved viewer experience, and even 3D scan to recreate all the details in the universe of Back to the Future.
And remember, the future is what you make of. So let's make this future, right, Hopkins?
Thanks for watching us!